In a peaceful village, there lived two siblings, Nabil and Natsiha. One morning, they went on an adventure to the nearby forest. Nabil said, "Let's go and learn something new." As soon as they entered the forest, they heard the birds singing sweetly, surrounded by green trees and colorful flowers. Suddenly, Natsiha noticed a small river drying up. She said sadly, "If there is no water in the river, the fish will suffer." Then Nabil replied, "If we all plant trees and stop throwing garbage into the river, nature will survive." The two of them planted some saplings beside the river. On their way back, they shared their story with everyone in the village. The villagers were very happy and said, "You truly are friends of the environment." Moral: if we love nature, nature will protect us.